Enemy soldier incoming. Attack me!
Got 2 kills. The guy who killed me went flying. Somebody threw a grenade on his head.
Enemies dropping into the AO. All stations green light. We are deploying to the war zone. Lockdown. Secure and defend zones for victory.
I need to turn off parachute also, but I just turned it off. It's just not able to
Zones
land
located.
where I
Get
want
them
to.
secure.
Oh, you can turn that off.
Yeah, you can turn it off. Better turn it off because it opens up so high and then the enemy will see us and shoot us.
Start shooting it. Yeah.
Got him target. One guy's name is Hacker Mode On and he killed me.
Might be you would have on that.
Incoming.
Yeah.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Said we are redeploying and it didn't redeploy.
Control Charlie. Delta.
This is definitely
why
not a
did
hacker
the
lobby
termite
because I
in
was
this
able to kill.
Control Alpha.
What? Termite lobby. Termite lobby.
High value zone is online.
Everybody's using termite.
We control Alpha. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Control Alpha.
Oh, somebody shot alien also.
I don't.
Pac-Man also down. What happened here?
Somebody threw a thermite on IK.
Yeah, alien got down because of the
Direct
thermite,
hit.
then you also came and got down.
Oh,
Yeah.
dear dead. That's why I told termite lobby.
You're back on
Termite
station.
Everybody is throwing thermite.
Yeah, I'm going to
15 seconds left.
let them throw termite on termite. So he's safe. Alone.
Objective locations updated. Secure the new zones.
Oh, I
New
killed
zones will be active soon. Get ready.
நான் இங்க ஒளிஞ்சிக்கிறேன்.
இதை பண்ணி தான் வெப்பனை
மேலே
ஸ்பேட்
ஏற
பண்ண
முடியல.
முடியல. கேப் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் பிடிச்சி போச்சு.
Nice.
Zones are active. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Oh, location left side.
Going to see.
போயிட்டோம்.
We control Charlie.
ஐக்கே நம்மளும் போயிடலாம் இங்க இருக்காதுங்க.
போகலாம்.
We control Charlie.
US server?
Yeah,
No,
it's US server.
termite server.
We control Bravo. We secure the lead. Enemies have your location now. Enemies taking the lead. Your location's
Who
offline.
got killed?
Back. Yeah. Hello. Hi. What's up?
Watch the skies.
What's up?
Get him.
பிடிச்சிட்டான். ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியல.
You're getting another chance. Make it count.
Who got you, partner?
Somebody from above.
ஐயோ அப்பா.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I died exactly where Pac-Man died. Thanks, Ganesh.
Zones are relocating soon.
You want to go out?
யாரோ சொல்றாங்க.
Enemy.
மேல
என்னடா இவ்வளோ ஃபாஸ்ட்
அடிச்சிட்டான்டா. மைண்ட்ல செத்துட்டான். அவ்வளோ ஃபாஸ்ட் அடிக்கிறான்டா. ஏம் போட் நாய்.
ஆமாம்மா ஏமாட்டேன்.
Enemy dropping into the AO. New zones online.
வரான்டா, உள்ள வராங்க.
One more up. Finishing மேல இருக்கான்.
அடிக்கிறான்.
இன்னும் அடிச்சான். எல்லாத்தையும் அடிச்சான். மைனை டச் பண்ணி ஒண்ணுமே ஆகலடா.
மைண்ட்ல அவனுக்கு சுச்சுப்பி.
Pac-Man here. Oh no.
Stupid mine. What?
He put a mine?
What?
He put a mine or did you die in my mine?
I don't know. Your mine.
No, I didn't put it over there though. When you died. He must have
No,
put it
then
over.
it was his mine. Yeah,
that's
it was his
I
mine.
put it further down
For
where he
sure.
was standing. He touched it but nothing happened to him.
It was his mine.
Yeah. Let's go to F.
Enemy squad's halfway to
But if
mission
you guys are
complete.
here, then I
Where,
might
sir?
as well come.
Going to E.
Enemy soldier incoming. We control
There's somebody here.
மேல இருக்கான்டா.
15 seconds before zones are
வாட்ச்ல வரல.
Stuntலாம் பண்ணி பார்த்தாரு. விக்ரம்ஸ். அஷ்டண்டா அவனா 360 சுத்து நான் பாத்தியா காத்துல கணேஷ்.
ஆமா பார்த்தேன். கணேஷ்
This guy came from it. That lady costume. Pac-Man, you don't use
I'm
stim?
holding the zone.
New zone.
I want to, but I'm not used to it. So if I use it, it will be like I'll kill more.
Yeah, I
But
think you
don't-
should start using it. Come to A, guys.
Okay. Ah, shit.
Enemies are dropping in.
I use knife, no, so that is the reason. I finish off with knife. If you have seen me.
Guy came running and I killed him. Barely killed him.
I'm pressing gas button on the map.
What?
Can you guys come to A?
No, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm dead.
High value zone marked. Secure 10 additional points. Zone contested. Enemies dropping into the AO. We control Bravo.
Bye-bye.
Control Delta. We control Bravo.
Mine la
Yeah,
போட்டேன்.
yeah. Thank you. Love you, love you.
சொல்லுமா
போட்டில் பைத்தியம் முடிச்சிருச்சுங்க எனக்கு ஏதோ வளர்றோம்.
Zones are relocating.
போட்டுடலாம் இது பண்ண ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்
Heads up,
கொண்டு போயிட்டான்.
heading to the zone. We're contesting the zone. The enemy's
Huh,
attacking the
second
zone.
place, wow.
We lost that one, but we'll get those
Super.
soldiers next time.
Now do you understand how non-hacker lobby feels?
I was taking on solo.
See, we barely did anything, right? And we came second place. This is how it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
How to get into servers like this all the time, I don't understand. Seriously, like, just... Now you see next match again, they put us in hacker lobby.
There is a way, but it involves spending a lot of money. Like this, what do you call what is it called? VPNs and
Alien
if
got
you want
7
to get
kills.
a
Wow. Alien 7, Pac-Man 8, me 5, Ganesh 1.